Hi, this is James. I'm excited to let you know that 5th February 2022, 11 a.m. Eastern, Converzee is launching. Now, Converzee is a tool that is going to boost your business. I got a demo and a quick review of Converzee coming up. Subscribe, click the bell icon, select all notifications so that all future videos like these that are going to bring you tips, tricks, and techniques, you shall receive them. So now, let's check out Converzee.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you a complete tour of the software Conversee and we'll show you how can you use the tools inside it. So here's the login screen. From here, once you log in, it will take you to a dashboard. So in this dashboard, they have mentioned three different steps that you'll have to follow to start creating your own campaign. So first that you'll have to do is to do the domain setup. So I'll click on domain setup. Over here, so I already have my domain all added over here, or if you want you can add multiple domains, whatsoever domain you want. So this is my page. I already have my landing page ready with me so that I can show you all the tools. So you just have to copy the domain name and paste it over there and click on save. Once it's done, just go back to dashboard, click on add pixel. So we'll have to add this small line of code pixel. So just click on copy, your code will be copied and you can send it to your developer or you can manually install it in the header of footer of your landing pages. Now go back to dashboard. Now comes the time like where you can create your own campaigns. So you have two options. Either you can click create campaign here or here. So we'll just go by clicking campaign, like create campaign. So in this section, this tab, they'll show you all the tools that you have with you. So we have tab messaging, hello bar plus timer, central timer, mobile vibrator, back button redirection. We have so many amazing tools in this. So I'll show you how can you use tab messaging. So first, click on campaigns, tab messaging. Over here, you'll have to enter the campaign name. But just to be sure, like this is just for you. It's for you to identify the campaigns after you created this. It's not going to be visible to your visitors. So I'll name it as tab message demo. Click next. So over here, you'll get two different options. Either you can enter your own custom message. For example, I'll enter hi there. Click on add. So your custom message is already added. If you want some messages from the predefined list, so you can just click on plus over here, plus icon. So these are the messages that is like added from the predefined gallery. The second option that you'll have to do is click on favicon and select the type of favicon that emojis basically that you want to display. I pretty much like this one, or I can change it to flower. So I have changed the favicon as well. Now the timing part. So in the timing, you'll have to enter a time like for the first message. It's like after how much time you want to display your first message. And the time interval between two messages. It's like pretty clear. This sound option. So you can enable the sound notification as well. So I'll enable it. Now I'll go to trigger. So trigger is something that is really important. It shows like on which page you want to display your campaigns. So in my case, like I have this website conversee.com. Under conversee.com, I have so many pages, but I want to display it on this particular page. So I'll just copy the URL and paste it in the include section. So you have two different options. Either you can include or exclude. Okay, so I have added the domain in include section and click on save. So my campaign is saved here. Just click OK. Go to your landing page. I'll just refresh it. I think like our campaign should be active by now. So I'll just wait for the page to load. It's loaded. Now we'll change the tab. So, okay, now you can see it's showing our messages, right? Hey, don't miss out, don't forget. So this is the tool tab messaging. Now we'll go and create some other campaigns as well. So second campaign that I'm going to create, let's go with hello bar plus timer. So in hello bar plus timer, again we'll have to enter the campaign name. So I'll enter hello bar plus timer demo. Click on next. So in this section, we'll get three different options. What's the layout of your timer and hello bar that you want? So I'll click on preview. So okay, so this is the second option. This is the third option. I say I'll go with the third one. Now I'll click on text. So in the text, what text you want? So right now they have mentioned grab it right now. Coupon expires in. You can change it anything. So I'll just change few text. Hurry now. Offer is expired. Okay, coupon expires in. Okay, we have changed the text. If you want, you can make it bold, unbold. You can change the color. So you can do all this stuff from here. So if you want to change the color text, it can be changed easily. But still, we'll keep it white itself. And so comes the third part, CTA. That is call to action. So what call to action you want? You want get access now, or if you want to change it to shop now, you can do it anything. But I'll go with get access now only. Then in CT redirection, so we have three different options in CT redirection. One is redirect, so it will normally take you to a different page. Then redirect in a new tab. It will take you to a new tab and redirect users over there. Third option is scroll, so scroll on the same page. So we'll go with redirect in a new tab. Let's enter the URL google.com. That is done. Now in the timer section, you'll get three different options: date and time based, cookie based, evergreen based. So depending upon your preference, you can change the time and all those settings. So I won't change much. I'll just change the time so that our timer is active. It's showing 1 day 23 hours. So that is done. What do you want to do when the timer expires? So redirect, hide, or show static timer as 0. We have these three options. So I'll just keep it as show static central time at 0. Now in the styling section, you can change the background of your page and do a lot of stuff. So I'll just change the color. If you want, you can change all the stuff. And then in the trigger section, again, you'll have to enter the URL of your landing page. So I've entered the URL. Now click on save. The magic is done. Our Hello Bar Plus timer campaign is active now. Let's go to the page and refresh it once again. Here comes our Hello Bar Plus timer. I hope you can see that. Hurry now, coupon expires in, and the timing showing timer is active. If I'm clicking on get access now, it is taking me to a new page that is going to Converzee. And apart from that, our time messaging is already active. I'll show you one more tool. Let's go with exit intent. So exit intent is basically a pop-up which opens up when someone tries to open leave a website. So I'll just name it as exit intent demo. Next, I think the text is already predefined. Whatever text is there, we'll go ahead with this. We won't change a lot of stuff. In the image section, you can you have this option to upload your manual image as well. So right now, this is your exit intent is going to look like. So if you want to change it, I'll just select a file, upload any random file, and okay, the file is completed, uploaded. This is how it's going to look now. We have added an image in between, and now in the CTA you have again those three options. What exactly you want. So you can enter any URL, whatever you want. You can do that. Okay, I'll just go with google.com. In the style section, again, you have this option to enable background, or you can reset it. Okay, disable it. So we'll just go with the default one. We'll just add the trigger because that's the most important part. I'll just copy the URL again and paste it over there. Click on save. So our campaign is ready now again. So we'll just go to landing page and refresh. So our page is refreshed. We have our hello bar already working. I'll just so when I just moved away the cursor from this page, this pop-up automatically comes up. So this is it. This is the landing page that I was talking about. This is what exit intent is. So I hope you understood how can we use this whole tool. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Okay, people. Now, Conversee goes live at 11 a.m. on the 5th of February. But at 10 a.m., the Conversee team is running a webinar. So jump in on that webinar. That's at 10 a.m. Eastern, and ask all the questions that you have about this tool. Now, you will land on this webinar registration page that you see here. When you click on the link below this video, which will take you to my bonus page, and when you click on the button at the top or at the link at the bottom, you will end up on this page before, if you do it before 11 a.m. of the 5th of February. Now, if you do it after 11 a.m., then obviously you can land on the sales page, which I do not have access to at this moment. So when you are on this webinar page, just scroll down and make a comment, and you stand a chance to win a free copy of Conversee. All right, people. So what is Conversee? As you saw in the demo earlier, it is an 18-in-1 set of tools that are going to boost the conversion of people who land on your websites. And as you saw from the demo, it doesn't matter what type of website you have, whether it's run on WordPress or some other technology. Conversee makes it easy for you to configure all the settings or all the tools that you require to boost your conversions. Now, what I like about Conversee is that you do not need separate plugins as you do with WordPress for each one of the 18 conversion boosting tools. And here are the tools that you'll be getting with Conversee. You'll get tab messaging, urgency timer, a hello bar with a timer, image pop-up, video pop-up, central timer, geo redirection, exit intent, mobile vibrator, dynamic elements, back button redirect, offer iframer, hello bar with opt-in forms, hello bar timer with opt-in forms, exit intent with opt-in forms, autoplay video with a mute function, and proof app. And as you can see here at the bottom, this is one of the tools that you get with Conversee. This bar that you have at the bottom. Now you can use all the 18 tools or some of them, or pick whichever you wish with any one of these platforms, website platforms. So who should get Conversee? Well, if you are someone in any one of these niches that are listed here, it will work for you, especially if you are looking for your website visitors to take specific action. Now, there are a bunch of bonuses that the Conversee team is giving away when you pick it up during this launch period. Bonus number 1 is questions for writing a killer sales copy. Bonus number 2 is proven copywriting checklist that you must follow. Bonus number 3 is handpicked ads, screenshots from world's top marketer. Bonus number 4 is ultimate blogging checklist to rank higher. Bonus number 5 is 100 plus content ideas bank and how to make them attention grabbing. Bonus number 6 is 200 plus proven headline formulas to skyrocket your conversions. Bonus number 7 is tips and strategies to get higher open rate and click-through rates. Bonus number 8 is checklist for hosting successful sales webinar. Bonus number 9, how to script your webinar to sell your product or service. Bonus 10 is how to get 5-star testimonials from clients. Bonus 11 is proven client outreach checklist to set you up for success. Bonus 12 is how to use coupons to your favor and boost sales. Bonus 13 is 250 plus power words to use with Conversee tools to get maximum leads and conversions. Bonus 14 is best tips to optimize your existing or new sales page. And the last bonus is 200 plus business niches you can sell Conversee services to. And here are the OTOs. OTO 1 is Conversee reseller license going for $97 one time. So you can read through this to understand what you get when you pick up OTO number 1. OTO2 is the Converzee Pro version going for $77 one time. And these are the features that you get with that version. OTO3 is Converzee Template Club going for $67 one time as well. So I hope the quick walkthrough of Converzee has shown you how you can put this tool to use in your business and even in your clients' businesses to boost their income. Now, besides the bonuses the vendor is giving you, check out the link below and discover the bonuses that I have prepared, especially for you when you pick up Converzee through my link. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications. And if you have any comments or questions, put it down in the box below. And I look forward to hearing your success stories with Converzee.